There's a question from the CCEA A2 Pure Mathematics paper. It's from June 2023, and we're looking at question 4. The function f of x is signed to the minus 1 of x. Sketch the graph of y equals f of x. So you may be familiar with these, but this is a wee reminder where we're getting this from. If you draw the graph of sine x, the graph of sine x looks like that. And then it kind of heads that direction there. And because we need to redo, we can't have it being other than 1 to 1. So we kind of cut it off there and cut it off there. So that's pi over 2. That's 1. This is the graph of sine x, by the way. This is minus 1 and minus pi over 2. So whenever we were doing the inverse, we're effectively doing the inverse of this. So a couple of different things. We're kind of effectively reflecting in y equals x. So it kind of helps to see how the shape of it works. And some of the coordinates we know. So 0, 0. Is going to be in there. The point 1 and pi over 2. And then we're going to have minus pi over 2 here. And then we're going to have minus 1. And our graph then looks a little bit like this here, with an asymptote running this direction here, and similarly one running this way here. So that's my graph of sine to minus 1x. State clearly the domain and range of this function. So my domain then is anything then between minus 1 and 1. So minus 1. That's my domain. And then the range, what numbers can we get out of it? We're going to have then anything then between pi over 2 and minus pi over 2. State two successive transformations which map the graph of the function f of x to the graph of the function 3 plus 2 sine to the minus 1x. So this 2 will do what? That'll stretch it above a kind of across the y-axis. So there's a graph here. Everything stretches twice as far away as it was then from the x-axis, and then the 3 then moves everything up. Now this is one of these ones that it is important of the order. You need to do the 2 bit first, and then you need to do the 3 bit after that. So I've said what we're doing. So the 2 means a stretch parallel to the y-axis of 2, so that means each of the y coordinates effectively double, and then followed by a translation. So what does that mean? That's whenever you move the graph of plus 3 parallel to the y-axis.